Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All ingredients below in my info box. We are gonna need octopus, garlic, onion, potatoes, seaweed, salt, fresh black pepper, Peruvian Panca pepper paste, or you can use paprika, and canola oil. In a pot with hot oil, I'm going to add my onions, and then garlic, and stir a little bit. And I'm gonna be adding salt and fresh black pepper to taste. Stir, and I'm adding the Peruvian Panca pepper paste, just 1 tablespoon. Then mix everything, and now I'm adding the potatoes and finally the hot water. Just cover and let cook until the potatoes be soft. While the potatoes are cooking, here I have my seaweed already washed, and I'm going to add the boiling water. As you are noticing, the color of the seaweed will change and turn more green. Then we will rinse them and they are ready to use. Let's check how the potatoes are going. And yes, they are already cooked. With a fork, we will make a puree with some pieces of potatoes. This helps to give more consistency to my stew. Now we are going to add the octopus, which is pre-cooked and thawed at room temperature. Stir a little bit and rectify the seasoning. And finally, we add the seaweed, turning off the heat. Then mix everything. Cover and let it stand until you want to serve. Guys, you can serve it with white rice if you want, but for me it's perfect as you see it. And this is the final result, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it, thumbs up, follow me on my social media. And now I'm going to give to my dog a piece of sweet potato. She's Candy, my Coton de Tuliar. She's with me every Wednesdays in my recipes, and all Saturdays you have her own videos. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.